Amazing. Welcome back, superstar traders. It's another beautiful week, and we have the weekly market outlook. Yes, my name is 𝗟𝗏𝗘 𝗦𝗛𝗕, head market analyst and acting general manager for EQ Markets Global. And I'm super delighted to share this moment with you. You know how we always do it every Monday morning, where we look at the market and try to decipher where the market is going, and more so take some profitable trade setups together. I mean, our weekly market outlook had been nothing short of amazing. All right, so without wasting any further ado, I'd like to share something with you just before I continue. And of course, that's the outcome of our trade NFP with 𝗟𝗏𝗘 that was held on Friday. If you missed that session, trust me, you missed literally everything. All right, so let me just show you a few testimonies that we had from that session. I had to screenshot them and put them up here. Okay, so yes. Oh, amazing. So these are just a few testimonies that we had on the trade NFP with 𝗟𝗏𝗘 session. All right, Bright was saying you are the boss. He was literally blown away. He said, wow. He said, Jesus. All right, Olareweju, I think this guy made over $1,300. Okay, and this was the screenshot. Okay, look at the. Okay, let me just pick my pointer. Right, amazing. So here you can see, said I made $1,300 from that NFP session. And guys, this is no joke, right? This is no joke. These guys made this money live on the session. Here he drops the screenshots. Okay, I would have shown you the screenshot, about $616 here and over $700 here. So approximately the guy made over $1,300. Amoti made $23. But she said I didn't really take the AD All right. And Daniel was busy screaming, I'm happy, NZD card, because I literally was talking about NZD card for the past 2, 3 weeks. If you know, you watched the last weekly market outlook as well. I was literally talking about NZD card. So Daniel amazingly made over $180 on NZD card. How amazing that would be, right? Ibrahim as well. Ibrahim said, it's been a while. I'm making a comeback this month. Equity for life. Yes. Equity for life. This is Ajay. Ajay said, sir, you are very perfect, but I couldn't take any of those trades because my network was bad. Oh, sorry, Ajay. Yeah, but he also saw that the trades went really well as we analyzed. Abib said 70. I don't know what this is, but Baba Balagba. I don't know what that is, but apparently it seems like he made $70. And Mr. Peter, time zone couldn't even stop Mr. Peter because Nigeria is over 8 hours or approximately 8 hours ahead of him. So as at 1 p.m., we were trading NFP. That was like 6, 7 a.m. for Mr. Peters, but he was still up and traded NFP with us. And for the first time, this is the third time he's joining us on NFP, but this is the first time he was trading, and he testified making over $685 on gold. Man, the NFP session was super amazing. I guess you do not want to miss the next session, guys. You don't want to miss the next session. So what would you do? All right, simply head over to our website, www.eqmarketsglobal.com. And if you're pretty new, simply go over there, sign up an account. We definitely keep in touch with you. We will reach out to you immediately you sign up an account, and we will tell you every single step. We'll hold you by the hand every single step of the way until you become profitable, right? And that's exactly what you're going to be doing. But I'll tell you more of what you're going to be doing in order to become a profitable investor, profitable trader that you have always been desiring. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's quickly get over to what we have for today. Okay, so we're going to start off with the economic calendar. Don't forget, right? So for the economic calendar, I'll just quickly run through it for your reminder, because I know you literally want to check it out every single time you want. Okay, so yes, for the economic calendar, okay, let me see. So yes, for the economic calendar, today Monday is void of all high impact expected news, except that we're experiencing bank holidays in JPY, in Japan and also in Great Britain. And then on Tuesday, AUD will be taking the lead with their bank rate review, which they call the Reserve Bank of Australia monetary policy statement. All right, and of course, that will probably be standing still at around 4.35%. Okay. Wednesday also is void of all high impact expected news, except for Europe that will be experiencing bank holiday precisely in France. Okay. And then on Thursday, most of the highs will be on Thursday, okay, and also on Friday, because those are the days that a lot of economic activities will be happening. Okay, so the bank holiday continues from Wednesday up until Thursday, when we would also see continuation of the French bank holiday, and also German bank holiday is going to join in, and Switzerland as well. Switzerland is also going to join in here, okay? And then by 12 noon, the Great Britain will be leading again with their monetary policy statements or reports. Okay, they also will be the second and the only the second people to be reviewing their bank rate this week. Okay, and of course that would most likely be standing at around 5.5%. Okay, and of which after that, Governor Bailey's of the Bank of England will be giving a speech. All right. Then 1:30 p.m. Nigerian time, unemployment claims will be coming out from the US. Of course, we've seen unemployment claims last week before the NFP, and we saw lower data. Right now, after the NFP, all right, people have been absorbed into the workforce. We'll probably be seeing another unemployment claims, people claiming they don't have jobs. And then, of course, we're expecting that to be slightly bigger than what we've seen last week, all right? And then by 6:01 p.m. Nigerian time, we'll also be expecting the 30-year bond auction coming out from the US. I think you just need to read up a little more about that, because I wouldn't have all the luxury of time to talk about that in this session. All right. And then on Friday, we have some activities coming out from Great Britain, which is the GDP. We also have some activities coming out from Canada, which is the employment change or the unemployment rate. That's more like NFP that we consider for US. Okay, that's the NFP for Canada, right? So you also may probably want to look at it. And then by 3 p.m. we have the prelim consumer consentiment. So these are just the expected news and all that we'll be expecting. So most of the highs of traders and investors will be looking Thursday and Friday, right? So just so you keep that in mind as well. All right, so for today, for the first time, I'll probably not be looking at the dollar index, or should I? Okay, let me just make a quick look at the dollar index. All right, so here is the dollar index. Okay, so last week, yes, we analyzed that the dollar index was simply going to fall into the fair value gap. That's why I said if you missed the NFP session, I mean you, if not the profit alone, the information that would have bettered your trading progress or your trading career, I mean you missed an information worth over $10,000, but it's not recorded. So you don't need to miss the next NFP session. You see NFP being teared down and analyzed like never before. All right, so let's quickly go over now. So we're expecting perhaps more sell-off happening on the dollar index. Okay, we're expecting more sell-off to perhaps happen on the dollar index. Most likely, who knows, the dollar index is still going to further fall into this other block, which is the point of interest, before going all the way to the top. All right, so since we're expecting this to happen, all right, we'll just be looking at that. All right, so I have about 3 trade setups here to give to you, so listen carefully here. I have 3 trade setups to give to you that will probably fetch you money. All right, now guys, watch these videos again and again and again. All right, it's not when I will be posting profits in the group and then you'll be asking questions, when did you drop the signal, or how should I trade it, whereas it has been simplified for you. All right, so the first I have for you is GBP USD, and of course all USD good pairs. Now this is looking somewhat kind of crazy, yeah, but let me just show you that on the daily time frame, we're yet to see our commodity channel index move into the strong buy zone. All right, it's buying, but a strong buy zone. We're here to see that move into the strong buy zone. And so, of course, I am I am massively buy biased on GBP USD. Now, let me show you also that on the weekly time frame. Now, on the weekly time frame here, what you can see is a trend line channel. Prices moving from the upper part of the channel to this lower part, and then back to this upper part, and again now to the lower part. Okay, so 2 weeks ago here, we see prices fall back to the lower part of the channel. And then, of course, we've got price confirmation, right? We've got a buy confirmation as last week, right? You see, our commodity channel index literally moved above the negative 100 level, giving us the buy confirmation. So where exactly am I looking at? Oh boy, I would probably be looking at this level here, right? Right. So I know that, okay, by the definition of bullish, I know that bullish is what? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So apparently in the coming weeks, I want to see this high effectively cleared out. And guys, this is extremely possible. You might not do that this week, but give it this week, next week, and upper week. All right. Give it max 3 weeks or max 4 weeks. Right. We will see an over 285 pip movement to the upside. All right. That I promise you. So what would you do? Significantly position yourself and take this over 250 pip movement to the upside, right? That's what I'm expecting on GBP USD. So you can see bullish confirmation, and then of course we can see prices bouncing back significantly. If you go to the 4-hourly time frame already, I've given out this trade setup here on the 4-hourly time frame, guys. This is also one of the best times to take this trade. If you're just seeing this video, of course, I'm posting it immediately after this, right? If you're just seeing this video, I mean, you can jump on GBP USD for a buy. Okay, your stop loss could literally be around 1.25184. All right, or probably maybe not good to even use a stop loss. All right, but yeah, for those of you who would want to still know what lot size to use, what risk to take, all right, you can have my own stop loss to be 1.25184, but I would literally advise for you to take some bigger risk. So maybe adjusting your stop loss to somewhere at around 1.25032. All right. Now this is going to be giving us a 1:5 risk to reward, guys. So it simply means if I'm risking $20 on this trade, I'll be expecting to cash out about $100. And of course, if I'm risking say $200 on this trade, I'm expecting to cash out about $1,000. Right. So good luck to you guys. Good luck to you guys. Right. The final take profit I'm apparently looking at is 1.28896. 1.28896. The stop loss 1.250032, or you can use the 1.25184. All right. So that's the first trade setup, GBP USD. The next I have for you is GBP NZD. Okay. Sorry, my watch list is pretty well kind of scattered. So let me look for GBP NZD. So I'm also biased on GBP NZD, and in fact, I'm already on this trade on GBP NZD. Okay, so you can see that on the 4-hourly time frame, we've got a buy confirmation as well on the 4-hourly time frame. Now I marked out this zone. Okay, let's first look at it on the weekly time frame, rather on the daily time frame. Yeah. Let's look at it on the daily time frame as well. Except this area is broken, okay? Except that area is broken, I am biased on this time frame. All right, I'm biased on this asset, or on this pair rather. All right, so I can see a trend line channel as well that is playing out. Prices broken through it, lower, touch up, down, and then here you can see the whole consolidation. Yeah. So this particular area here was a significant resistance zone. As you can see, multiple touches, and then it acted as a supply. And then after breaking above that zone, it is now acting as a support, as prices have touched it here once, and here again second, and now again the third time. Okay. So literally I am expecting a bounce off on this zone because of how significant that zone is. Okay, you've already seen that on the daily time frame. I've shown it to you on the daily time frame. So what am I expecting? Although I'm expecting a buy confirmation on the daily time frame, but before I'm yet to see that, I've already seen a buy confirmation on the weekly time frame. Yeah. So yes, it's also good whenever you see this video, take a buy position on GBP and ZD. Right. So to protect yourself, the stop loss, you can put your stop loss at 2.08012. Okay, 2.08012, and of course our final take profit, it will be somewhere around 2.12503, 2.12503. And that will be giving us a nice 1:8 risk to reward. It simply means if you're risking, say, $50 on this trade, you're expecting to catch out over $400 on the same trade. All right. So good luck to you guys. All right. So I've given you 2 trade setups, right? Don't forget to take partials. In all of the trade setups that I give you, don't forget to take partials. Something happened last week. I gave a trade on Euro AUD, and Euro AUD made over 145 pip movement in our favor, and then finally went back to its stop loss. Who wouldn't take partials, or who wouldn't even close out after seeing a 145 pip movement? I mean, of course, we don't own the market, but 100 pip movement is too much to celebrate. All right, people celebrate 5 pip movements, take profit, 10 pip, 15, 20 pips. But I gave you trade signals that give you over 145 pip movement, and some people will literally see that profit, leave it, and then it goes back to loss. All right, so please don't forget to take partials. Okay, the last but not the least that I want to give to you is EuroCAD. Okay, please stay tuned. So let me look for EuroCAD. Okay, so on EuroCAD as well, I'm expecting prices to most likely be respected on this zone and sell off. Now, this is my bias. Okay, this is my bias. So on EuroCAD, the buy pressure is very, 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 very high. Oh, maybe I'll just leave EuroCAD. Okay, maybe I'll just leave EuroCAD. I'll watch EuroCAD before I give you. Okay, but apparently I'm still seeing a correction and buy momentum setting in. So apparently I'm just going to leave EuroCAD for now. Okay, and then of course, if I get any confirmation within the week, I'm going to be dropping EuroCAD. So please go with GBP and GBP USD. But that notwithstanding, if GBP USD is buying, trust me, then we would also see buy continuations on AUD USD, on also on Euro USD. We would literally see buy continuations on these pairs. All right. So that's all for the week. My name is 𝗟𝗜𝗞𝗘. Don't forget to do business with us. If you're just watching this video, if it was helpful, it was insightful, and of course it was expository, leave a thumbs up for this video, right? Just please leave a thumbs up right now. Just leave a thumbs up, leave a thumbs up. Yeah, like this video, place your comments in the comment section because I want to see them and answer your questions. And not only that, right, it wouldn't be complete if you're not part of our VIP groups, if you're not part of our mentorship groups as well, right? Join our mentorship groups and get to learn firsthand my trading tips, my trading style, not only me, myself, and my colleague, 𝗟𝗜𝗞𝗘. And not only that, guys, as well, we have our signal channels that gives over 70% accurate signals on a weekly basis. You wouldn't want to miss that. Yeah. So how would you join? All right. All you simply have to do is go to your browser and type this www.eqmarketsglobal. All right. Let the market have the hers. Okay. eqmarketsglobal.com. All right. And once you're able to do that, then you will be able to see the sign up icon. Click on the sign up if you're new, and then sign up an account. We will definitely get across to you, and we'll be glad that you do business with us. All right. Thank you so much, and see you next week, Monday. Bye for now.